Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Audi Q7 remote battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and get your remote working perfectly again in just a few minutes. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Locate the small release button on the side of your Audi Q7 remote and press it to slide out the mechanical key. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it. The two halves of the key fob should separate with a slight click, allowing you to access the internal components. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver, being careful not to scratch any contacts. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Just like the old one, it should snap securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, ensuring they are securely sealed. Slide the mechanical key back into its slot. Now, test your remote by trying to lock and unlock your Audi Q7. It should respond instantly. If not, double-check the battery orientation. Also, for other great deals and to learn more about the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.